Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Yeah, I remember that. Did they send an unban request that says like, I didn't even say anything homophobic yet, or something? I feel like maybe just don't lead with that next time. I feel like it's maybe that's that simple. I don't know, you can unban them if you want. I don't really feel like I'm in a position where we lose particularly much by them coming in and finding an excuse to get banned. Like, I'm fine with waiting for people to say some stupid shit and then banning them, because I'm not, like, in a position where I feel like my mental state is going to be shattered by them saying some stupid shit. So we can provide them with the platform to say one stupid thing and then get banned. Hi, Kit. What position would you say that you're in? What position would that be, Kit? Ugh.
Welcome back. Your steadfast loyalty is greatly
This is my
appreciated.
one stupid thing to say, pass. Thanks, Kit. Thanks, Kit? Thanks, Pendles. Sorry, I then read Kit's message. Thanks, Pendles. Oh. How was your Sunday, Pendles? Inverted. Thanks, Kit. Yeah, thanks just for existing, Kit. Kit stole the stupid thing to say, pass. I think they need it more than Pendles, to be honest, with the recent quotes in the server. God, listening to Kit start telling their story in fucking VR chat. The story that starts out with like fucking, I don't even know, you just start it in like the most unsettling way. They do that in every, yeah. Oh. What the fuck? Why? What do you mean you can't load this page? Fuck you. Load the page. Thank you.
I hear.
You know, I've never seen my browser do that. It just suddenly said can't load this page. I wonder if I swapped one of my I wonder if I swap, cause Riot, I wanted to ask, have you been experiencing the things since I swapped all the ports? I wonder if we'll have to, I wonder if that's, I haven't had any issues. Have your issues stopped? I see. Well, yeah, I haven't had any new issues, so.
For the ancestors.
I wouldn't be shocked if Zoom just unnecessarily eats 5 billion resources.
Shades, guide.
No, Riot has a problem where they spontaneously disconnect from shit, and they wanted me to try switching which port their computer is plugged into
Like a drum.
for the router to see if that was maybe a point of failure. But so far, seems like no dice.
For what?
Well, it's definitely nothing about their computer failing. What are you fighting? What? What is going on? It's playing the Shadow Shaman Hex sound? What are they hitting? What is he hitting? What is he hit? What is going on? What are they? What the fuck? That's pretty funny. Ah. Wheat want wheat. Want wheat. Wheat want. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's probably just F-list. Are you using your browser for F-list? Or are you using an app? You have a client? Then it's almost certainly the client. Because I never have this happen and I use browser. So. You say that you close a fuck ton of Firefox tabs, but like, from what I remember about your computer's specs, your computer should be able to handle all of that, like, just fine. I almost guarantee you that it is your client. Look at this funny little bird. Bird gaming. Why is it taking me 5 minutes to find a match, dude? Monster Hunter is disconnecting you from Fen. Tabletop has issues. True. I don't know, dude. I'm not a knower. More IP per IP. Yeah, that's a fucking rant I could go on, dude.
The blood sun rises.
Fucking F-list being like, 3 connections per household. Goofy shit. Three. Oh, there we go. Right on time for me to be darkness advancing.
Ill omens. I bring destruction. From the world on the rim. Good news travels slowly. Bad news has wings.
Bad news has wings. So true, bestie. So true. Odie's from Rimworld, is that true? Alright, I think I'm gonna pick my hero and then go pee. As one does. As one, me being one, as Gar does. He is from the world on the rim. It's true. Alright, if my hero locks, I go pee. Which it will, if nobody picks her. Fudge won't. Everybody. Know that. This no. No. Ugh. It's fine. I'll admit. I'll own. Well, we have a mid laner who doesn't want a mid lane, so that's never a particularly amazing sign. Not always a super huge fan of that. Alright, they have so much fucking damage. Our mid laner really doesn't want a mid. Oh god. That is never a good sign. I don't like that one. What lets me survive fucking this bullshit? I don't know. Get fucking levels, don't get owned. Probably have to get a second set of tangos, maybe. Yeah, I would fuck Ricky. I would. I would. Who will make Wessel? Who gonna make Wessel?
And what if I don't?
Can we like all group up for runes?
So many paths to choose. It is
Oh, also for mid, by the way, if I forget to do it or I'm too busy in a team fight or something, you can ping my ability. It's above the E slot.
this must be
It's in the buff bar.
like those odds, do you?
30 seconds to battle.
Is that wise?
Who make Wessel?
This is all very
It's true. Someone's got it, right? Oh! Oh! Oh my god, we're owning him! Oh, he's owned! I love how that you can hold your double down until then. That's so funny. Oh my god, dude, we're nasty with it.
Oh, endlessly. It is all one. Is that why? Once again and again.
All right.
Once again. Always.
Radiant's courier has been killed.
Okay. Cool.
There are no guarantees. If you insist. Long odds. So many destinies.
All right. Gonna get some more tangos going.
And what if I do?
Got that. Easy.
Is all.
That guy put his sentry down, which means it's right there.
The rules.
He's got to micro his courier because he knows I'm looking at it.
As if one for
Dyer's courier has been killed.
never be sure.
All right.
As if wish fulfilled.
Fine armor. He sure did evaporate. Just like water should.
Possible course. So it goes. I had a feeling. If that is what one wants. I see.
Cool.
What as if. So it goes. One would hope so. Oh, imagine
All right. Things are going pretty well down here. So sad.
endlessly.
Close. Power Rune's gonna be bottom at 6.
Always. This must be decoded.
Can I get a gank mid? We can kill this guy.
Like those odds, do you? Scry candy. Could go either way.
Am I Ricky dying?
It is all one.
Of course, your pic's here.
Unreal, man.
My bad.
Long odds.
I didn't know Rubik was there.
That is
Your
one
middle tower is under attack.
Problem in us.
once again. If you insist.
You gotta come and help me.
That is one possible course. I'm envious. Oh.
All right.
Imagine the outcome. As if.
wisdom runes.
Is that wise? If that is what one wants. So it goes.
Get a fucking TP.
Prepare
I'm coming,
for
we can
your
turn this.
Alright.
So many destinies. So good.
Lynx is missing.
If only it were all this simple. Who's
They are just slowly killing us under tier 1. Alas.
many lives and many meanings to each.
Your bottom tower is
Bruh.
under attack.
If is all.
They dewarded.
Don't.
I'm out, I'm out.
This is all very well. So many cast your fortune. One would hope. Wish fulfilled.
60 feet mid.
Can one ever be sure? Consider the possibility.
Alright.
Lynx is gonna have a rune and I think he's gonna come top with it. Careful.
So
Why would he ever have a rune? You know where the runes are. Aw.
this is all very
Aw.
so it goes. Prepare for your fate.
Rune's gonna be bottom.
Prepare for your fate. The flames of fate.
Welcome back. Your steadfast loyalty is greatly appreciated.
Aw, thanks BSJ, what's up?
I had a feeling.
How's it going? Thank you for the support, I appreciate it. Gua gua.
Wise.
Agreed.
If is all.
I don't like this
Once again,
at all.
and again.
I got a bit of tower damage in, but like, for what?
If that is what one wants.
I go stack.
One.
Alrighty.
As if. And what if
Oh, I got both. I'm fucking sick with it. Dude, what is going on middle? Don't like that one.
say I never gave you anything? Can one ever be sure one fortune?
Radiant structures are fortified.
This must be decoded.
Alright.
Let's go kill Clink, spot him. I'll bring dust.
Like those odds, do you?
Oh. Don't do enough damage. Alright. That was enough damage. Does that guy have a bottle? There's a bounty if you want to use bottle charges.
Okay,
These camps are stacked, by the way.
Your top tower is under attack.
a sec.
Don't hold me to this.
Your top tower is under attack.
Oh, I got it again. Can't get the double, it seems, but I'll take it because it's the medium camp at least.
I have faith, right?
Wisdom runes and new power runes soon.
And what if I do?
Oh, that guy is super fucked.
Oh, endlessly.
Maybe he's not, actually. They don't have anybody else. He's not. Cool. Can we try and steal their wisdom?
One possible course.
Dire's structures are fortified.
Someone needs to TP mid if you don't want mid to go down.
Consider
Your middle tower is under attack.
that is one possible course. Always. So it goes. Always.
Your top tower is under attack.
Oh, endlessly.
Your top tower is under attack.
Alright. Wow. Unfortunately, guy is dead. Well, that is a lot of buttons. He is dead for it though. Oh! Oh! So much juking, but Infinity na health hero has infinity health. He is playing Infinity Health Hero. Oh! And he gets saved. Pretty good save.
Like those odds, do you? You must push through the burning. If is all.
Dude. Ah. Crunchy. That sounds icky. Well, I hope you feel better soon, VSJ. Can we get anybody to get this DD? I don't super want to take it, but I can't let them have it.
This is all very well.
We could smoke and go make a play. Well played.
Choose
Cool.
Interpret this.
All right.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
I have an end in mind for you.
Death's bounty.
It is ever thus. This must be decoded like last.
Cool.
I
All right.
must have pictured you dead.
New smoke.
If that is what one wants. I'm under attack. Can one ever be sure? And what if I do?
Dire's structures are fortified.
Once again and again.
That guy's so deep.
Is that why
He dodged. Nice dodge.
long
Bonk. Is that guy dead or is he alive? Oh, hello gamer.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
it is all one?
All right. Well, things are going okay.
That is one possible course. If you insist.
Buff bar above my E where it has the arcane boots buff icon next to that one, the icon of Oracle. There you go. Nice.
I had a feeling.
Go Bob.
Oh,
Your bottom tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified.
can one ever be sure?
Your bottom tower is under attack.
It's maybe weak my memory.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Say I never gave you anything. Once again.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
So we'll go.
I want to go put vision over here if we can.
As if. Is that wise? Run!
All right.
And what if I do? There are no guarantees.
Dude, go in there.
Always.
I ulted Ricky thinking he was gonna go in, and then he fucking did not. Is he gonna fucking die now? Don't die now.
Once again,
Do not die now. Do not die now. Do not die now. God damn it, dude. I'll come to Torm when more people are up.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Regen rune bottom.
One possible course.
Are we gonna go do Torm or are we defending mid? I feel like we should do Torm.
I had a feeling. So it goes.
Well, can we get our Ubers there is the question.
This is all
Let's go do Torm.
I'll take your tribute.
if that is what one wants. Could go either way.
Your middle tower has
Yeesh.
fallen.
Get that.
This must be decoded.
All enemy heroes sure are missing.
Oh, endlessly. Fulfilled. As if.
Regeneration.
Oh, imagine the outcomes for this.
Power rune bot.
That is one possible course. Like those odds, do you? Is that why?
Not super into this one. That guy looks super dead. God, dude. Christ, I whiffed that on both of you guys. He was mid-cast on Void and then mid-cast on Ricky.
Lined up for another shot.
Oh, that's rough, dude. Yeah, the fight started and I was too far away, so I didn't get into cast range to save Void, and I wasn't in cast range for Ricky. Almost done with 4 staff.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Yeah, the sparks are from some Clinks thing.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your top tower is under attack. Your top
Could go
tower has
Glimmer.
fallen.
That might fix some problems.
My eyes have been opened to new possibilities. And what if I don't?
Erg. They're all so fucking deep. Oh.
Go Roche, go Roche, go Roche, go Roche has 5 after this wave. Or has 4.
Is that why?
Okay, that does it. Time to fight.
It is ever so many destinies. Just your goal.
way,
If you insist. One would hope so. Don't mind me.
Dang.
As if.
Our rune's gonna be bought.
Once. Oh, imagine the outcome.
Shield rune. Shield rune bot.
This is all very well.
Grab it, grab it.
I'll take your tribute.
I had a feeling.
Link is roaming.
Getty, what's your
Your middle tower is under
Gets Getty would be
Oh.
useful.
That's so sad, dude. He got fucking
I'm
popped.
gonna have nullifier, bro.
Your middle tower is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified. Your bottom tower
Yeah, it's
is
a
under
lot.
attack.
No more flaying, but yeah, it's gone.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Can we
Your
just
middle
smoke and
tower
try and
is under
get a
attack.
pick off?
Okay, I need to.
When did we lose agent?
So it goes.
They de-warded too. Careful, they just warded there.
Once again. As if.
I can walk up and de-ward, but I need +1 at least.
This must be decoded.
It's Pugna and then it's Clinks right out the gate. Right, like right after one. Right?
So many paths to choose.
Radiant structures are fortified.
I'll have to
Your
tell
middle
Moxie.
tower is under attack.
Be the one initiating on
Your
Sun
middle
King, dude.
tower has fallen.
I spy with wonder to.
Oh, we can have Void initiate.
It's not time yet.
Can we smoke? Can we smoke and go top, please?
That is
S5, let's go. Kill Pugna. And then Clinks.
It is all one.
Lynx just blew me up under tier 2. You're getting out carry damaged because our Ricky is just nothing.
Oh, Ricky just can't kill the backline, I guess. What's going on? Can you not hit the backline, or what the fuck's going on? I killed the Pugna, you didn't. What?
Your top tower is under
Alas,
attack.
they're getting glumpy, but yeah, this feels like very much our
Ricky's
carry
out
is
doing
not
fuck all with no damage.
able to kill
Like out of
people.
all carries you could have picked, you picked fucking Ricky. Like what?
Your top
It's a dog shit ass pick.
We're gonna mute that guy. We're gonna mute that guy.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Cannot easily be put into words.
Yeah, they're helping out, dude.
Your spirit source.
Whose fault is this? Oh,
Right now, let's go. We don't have DK.
home.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Winx is gonna kill me. Oh! I was just gonna finish my glimmer too. He just fucking one taps people, dude. I don't even know like what. He does shit that I don't remember him doing, so I don't even know like what thing it is because it doesn't seem to be his facet.
Radiant's courier has been killed. Dire's structures are fortified.
Because it's not skeleton archers. I don't know. They just give him like new particle effects or something.
This must be decoded. Oh, yes. Is that why?
Not gonna go back to Fountain.
It is ever thus. And mixing.
I don't know who a gem holder could be because I'll just die with it because he's just gonna walk past everybody and blow me up.
As if.
I can buy one and give it to somebody if you want. I feel like I have to unmute these people. Or not, and he can stay muted. Ah. Hi, Soda.
Possible course.
Really want to get vision down, but I don't think I can go out without at least a +1.
Like those odds do. So many paths to choose.
Alright. It's getting a little goofy.
Wait to keep.
Bottom tower is falling.
This right here is my favorite thing ever in the history of forever. I think about this every day. I think about this all night long. I
All
stay
right.
awake, not sleeping, because I'm thinking about this.
Possible course. Not yet there.
Okay. That was a good recovery. Hi, Sydney.
If you insist.
Yeah, that sounds like Sydney-esque behavior.
And in mind.
Opportunity to press button arose. Button was pressed.
If that is what one
How are you doing, Sydney?
wants. Can one ever be sure? It's not time yet. One would hope so.
What is with this little white square?
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
This is all very well. So it goes.
You guys think I should buy a gem? If I die, one of you is gonna have to pick it up, or they just make
Yeah, no. Don't risk it, like.
I kinda feel like if I die with it, it fucks our Ricky's entire game plan up.
Once again and again. So it goes. I won't say I never gave you anything.
What helps my team here?
Prepare for your fate. It is all one.
Maybe it's like guardian
is all. Death's bounty. Consider the possibility. One would hope so.
Bro.
Discombobulate.
If you insist. Consider the possibility.
Consider the possibility.
Roshan has fallen to the dire.
Haste. Life springs eternal.
That is one possible course.
I don't think I get to walk up
Once
there.
again,
Back. I don't feel particularly safe. I've done that guy. Have I played the new Joker hero yet? Nope.
imagine
No real interest currently. Not played it yet.
so it goes.
Make them split, guys. Skip.
And what if I
I have smokes if you want to try and smoke after we hit this wave top.
No, we need to split
They're kind of all
them.
grouped.
I can get a
as if
vision.
this must be decoded?
I'm gonna cut mid wave once. Careful. Never mind.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Like those are
Wait. Swap.
That's his BKB.
if is all. If that is what one was for.
Blood. And
Your bottom barracks are under attack. Your bottom barracks is falling.
It is
All right. Cool.
Is that why?
Double damage.
Is that wise?
Mirana, huge wave here.
Wish fulfilled. It is all one. Let me cast your fortune.
Dire structures are fortified.
Gotta go try and help our boys.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. The enemy's bottom tower has fallen. The enemy's middle barracks has fallen.
Once again.
Dire structures are fortified.
Can one ever reach?
Get the fuck back. Get the fuck back now. Fuck back, go up.
Yeah, get out.
Fuck back, dude.
How are you guys TPing here, man? Go push this lane, Marana.
Alas. The high ground ward.
We're gonna both have to buy back if we're
Telescope
gonna want to
for sure.
hold against Megas. What do you want to do?
I feel like we should have just left like a good
Buy
20
back or just let
seconds
him have
earlier.
Megas?
Hold it late to buy back. At this point.
Your middle barracks has fallen. The enemy now has mega threats.
Buy back late and they still get megas. So, well, as it turns out. Oh, what the I feel like I just have to get, like, I don't even know. Aeon, maybe? I don't know, I feel like Yule's more proactive. Was that a gem on the ground? Am I insane, or did I imagine that? There's just a gem on the ground.
This is all very well.
I got their gem.
Dire's courier has been killed.
I'm really bad against megas.
Just not so. Once again.
Get out, get out, get out. No points for back actually.
Once again. Commit or don't. Do not fear to commit.
All right.
Yeah, it's sentries.
It is all one.
I'm selling that. I got their gem. Link's died with it.
Course.
Down vision in the base.
Must be decoded.
Right back.
Oh, endlessly. And what if I don't?
Your middle tower has fallen. Radiant structures
Big
are
dragon hits shit really hard. As it turns out.
Your middle tower has fallen.
Alright. Well, they're super throwing. That's nice. Holy shit, this fucking game, though. Right. Who are we leaving behind for defense? Because I'm really bad at it.
This is all very well.
Sinking it.
I can, I guess.
And now we've
As if.
stay.
Can one ever be sure? It is ever thus. And what if I do?
向かってくるのか。
Thanks for the follow, T.
As if.
I feel like we have to bail.
If that is what
Yeah. What?
always. Like those odds, do you?
We going to top row, Sean?
Is that wise? As if.
We just have to watch our base. This Clink's gonna rat.
It is ever thus.
Push up.
Is that wise? It
Pushing,
is
they're pushing.
all one.
Your ancient is under attack.
So
Yeah, we.
as if. Oh, imagine the outcome.
I'm gonna push bottom out and then we can go. We can smoke.
They're gonna. Okay, nice. Can we smoke?
And what if I don't?
Yeah, we can do bottom row.
I descry a bright
They're rushing, I think, right now.
one would hope so.
That's what he's going towards portal for.
Oh, endlessly.
Ooh, do we get there in time to help?
I had a feeling.
Woo! Woo! Good Roche.
Yeah, take Rose. I'm fixing lanes.
So many paths to traverse.
Marana, you need to help.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry, Sean.
This must be decoded. Resist fate. Only
You're welcome. Your shrine has fallen to the Radiant.
now. Is that wise? Can one ever be sure? That is one possible
Woo!
course.
Gonna be watching more in the future. Oh, thank you, T. Appreciate it.
Always.
Gonna dump that there just so we have it.
If
Bad vision here, or
prepare for your
come here, come here. Bad vision here.
if that is what one
On my way.
wants. Once again.
I can TP on one of you guys.
Like those cast your fortune.
3.1k surplus. And we just buy a whole ass Yules.
If you insist. Illusion. So it goes.
I don't like this.
Once again and again.
I was not built to fucking hit megas, dude.
Oh, imagine the outcome.
Legend, they do DK ulti.
Never gave you anything. As if. Death's bounty. And what if I do?
We need to take a fight now before creeps get in our base because of clinks.
Consider the possibility. If you insist.
Clinks is cutting our bot wave.
Is that wise?
I'm gonna go back now. I have TP boots. Give me 30 seconds. Don't go. Give me 30 seconds.
No sense.
They're gonna try and fight you.
This must be decoded.
He's just spot him. I'm cutting their wave again.
And what if I don't?
Oh, he has a wave. God damn it.
Fate right here. Like those odds, do you? Invisibility.
Ooh, this is stressful, dude. Woo! I feel like we have to catch him out.
Fulfill. It is ever us.
They're coming.
Is that wise?
We got close top, but we gotta take a fight while we have ages.
I have whose fault? What fortune that is one possible.
Can you go rape here?
I can
Daedalus?
TP on one of you guys, wherever you guys go.
I don't want to be in front.
Again and again. If is all.
DD top.
That is one.
Aegis is down. Can we grab the DD top at least?
Oh.
Still there.
Twice the measure of power.
Can we take a fight with that?
Very well. If that is what one wants.
Ooh, this shit's tough, dude. This is a tough game.
So many paths to choose. It is all one.
Wait. We have this, right?
Your ancient is under attack.
I need ulti,
Phase.
man.
Your ancient is under attack. Radiant structures are fortified.
so we could just run for it. Always push.
We gotta. Yeah. You don't have
Always
four.
push, guys. So, about to. You cannot play the glyph.
And what if I do? Against wise men. Choose right.
That's actually huge.
Let me get sentries up again.
They dropped a second gem. Someone's got to pick it up before they do with one of their couriers.
As if.
Top's gonna push in.
So many paths.
I can TP on one of you guys.
Your ancient is under attack.
Endlessly.
Your ancient is under attack.
Christ.
This must
That guy's dead again.
He doesn't have buyback, right? Or is it up now?
once again.
He doesn't
Woo!
have it, right?
To a typical game? I don't fucking know, dude. Long. Too long. We gotta get tier 5s. Tier 5s.
Tier 5 items. Tier 5 items.
Haste. Bounty.
Don't mind me. Prepare for your fate.
Let's go high ground with this, no clinks.
Can one ever be sure?
Dire's courier has been killed.
It is all.
Can we get their... Okay, we already got their ancient.
It is ever thus.
Like we run.
Enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
Go Megas. No, go Megas.
There's no way.
Dire structures are fortified.
And what if I don't?
Guys, King Skin Rat, please help me def. Need def, guys.
Make sure this fucking dude doesn't get out somehow.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Just enter. Back. Ignore the...
I can come back in 13. I'm back in 13. I'm defending base.
god, dude. This is really tough. We should have just done megas.
Is all.
Oh,
Someone needs to defend.
I can't kill megas. I have no wave clear. I can hold it off for like 30 seconds.
Guys, just going.
Radiant.
Oh, nice job. Woo! And that's a W, baby. That's a W.
Command, command, command.
Hell yeah. All right. Woo! Fantastic. That and you holding your breath. Pretty good match. Ah, I don't really want to commend this guy because he was really toxic and mean to Ricky. What do you guys think? Commends all around, or I don't know. He didn't like super lock in his toxicity, so I guess he can get commends. He swung it back. He didn't just linger in being a toxic piece of shit the whole game. Why is Mirana so poor? Guess everybody did die a fuck ton more than me. Whew. Alright. That was a fun game. Alright, I'm going to the bathroom real quick, then we'll do another one. Wow. Don't get to play Dota like that often. It was pretty good. Hanu and their friend Q, who they just rode their bike back from Chicago here with, are playing Balatro, and they're getting fucking destroyed. Pretty funny. Alright. Woo! What a fucking game, dude. Thank you again for the kind words, tea drinker. I appreciate that. Who the fuck bought all these gems? Alright, one was Clinks, one was DK. Interesting. Pano had a real man spike would be an issue. Harley baby. I'll tell them that. I'll make sure they hear that from Kittimer with love. Wowee. What a game. Oh, I feel like that game could have been a lot easier if we could have executed better. I feel like the Sand King was doing pretty okay, but I don't feel like I feel like individually Sand King was our highest performing core, then Void Spirit, then Ricky, and I feel like that's represented with the net worth, even though Ricky has 26 kills. But I never, it took us until, like, the very end of the game for me to feel like they were, like, meshing their gameplay together, which is usually, like, the hardest part of Dota, is here's a bunch of random people, you now need to execute your shit within fractions of a second of each other. We got into a nasty accident. Yeah, I mean, Hanu almost fucking died. Like, twice. On the way home. So, I think they're gonna be selling that. Probably. 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 Let's see what we get. Are we gonna play Oracle again? Oh baby, it's hard support. You know what we're playing. Hi Shen. Shen says hi. Gar hi. Hi Shen. Alright. Marana mid. Veno 3 mute all. Well, they're mid lane, which tells me they're not playing their preferred role if their name is Veno 3 mute all. Off lane wants us to pick stun, which implies to me that they're not gonna pick stun. P4 Zeus. Alright, Cat Melon, already the archetype of I'm gonna type a lot. They want protected pick off lane instead of protected pick safe lane. Feels bad. This feels like bad drafting. I feel like you should protect your safe lane pick. Okay. Also, our safe laner picked through a bunch of supports, so I'm not... He hovered a bunch of supports. Jen took a full fist of the funny gummies and is on Mars. I want to try doing that again, because mine fucking did nothing. GG, just play for fun. We have Zeus and P. We are like so squish. We have 1 stun, 1.5 stun. They have so many stun. We're gonna struggle a lot to lock people down, I think, unless we do like crazy rotations and pickoffs and shit. I think I'm just buying brown boots outright because I don't think I live otherwise. This is a lane where regardless of who they put in the off lane, like they have a lot of different options of who they could put where. I feel like it's probably one ranger carry, but they have a lot of options on what they could do because all those heroes can flex. Regardless of who they put in the lane, they have a lot of I can just chain this stun into this stun into this stun and now you're fucking dead. So I'm very scared of that as an Oracle. Don't super like having no stats at the beginning of lane, but like I don't think I'm out trading any of these people anyways, especially when I have Jug who has to be in melee range and he really doesn't want to be against any of those heroes. Can we group up for first blood?
Shut your fucking mouth, motherfucker.
Don't need any of that. By the way, if you need to know anything about the runes mid, you can ping my ability. It's in the buff bar above my E.
Like those odds, do you? It is ever thus.
It's in the bag.
30 seconds to battle.
That is one possible course.
Such a limited imagination you have. Your anger is useless here.
We just saw somebody. You might be able to get all 4 runes.
The odds are with us, or are they?
I think NP is going to die. I think that's what's going to happen there.
First blood, last words.
Hi, Linnea. I'm doing okay. Played 1 game so far. It was really long, but we eventually won. Now this game has started off with people being immediately toxic, and I'm not feeling nearly as confident about it, but, you know, we'll see how it goes.
I had a feeling.
That guy's gonna fuck me up.
That is one possible course. It is all one.
Ow. Glad I bought more tangos.
Under attack. If is all. And what if I don't? Once again. This prophecy supersedes all previous prophecies.
Don't like trading with him because he hits me way harder than I hit him.
Oh. So it goes.
Alright.
One would hope so. As if it'll help. As if.
Dude, am I ever gonna get Juggernaut helping me out with this shit? I think I die to that now. Ooh, I barely don't die. He's full mana. Hit him! Hit him! Nice.
There's a fine line between bravery and
Once again and again.
They're gonna get our bounty. Alright, dude.
This is all very well. Fate cannot be denied. This must be decoded.
And dude already unblocked. Wow.
And what if I do?
This shit's tough. This is a hard lane.
Odds, do you?
Alright.
It is all one. There are no guarantees.
Dang it.
Oh, imagine the outcome.
I didn't have enough mana because my fucking int is gone.
I see no more obstacle. Once again.
Even I like a good brawl.
One would hope so. Commit or don't. I had a feeling.
They're charging mid.
I cast the runes. So many paths to
They might be charging bot then, or maybe he canceled. He
This is
canceled.
all very well. Do not fear to commit.
Got the half pull. If I did a whole pull because it's not stacked, it would just do nothing to reset the wave. So half pull is actually what we want.
Consider the possibility.
Gonna give that guy a tango. Dang it.
We will not forget this.
And what if I do?
Dang, that guy is missing.
As if. Could go either way.
Power rune's gonna be top.
That is one possible course.
Double damage.
Ooh.
If you insist.
Lots of damage.
Could go either
Prize
way.
is mine.
Alright. Wisdom runes soon.
So many destinies.
I saw him.
That is what one wonders. Is me.
You had no Your middle tower is under attack.
Prepare for your fate.
Alright.
Radiant structures
We take
are
those.
fortified.
Long odds.
Our thanks.
Yeah, how he pings initiate. It's pretty cute.
If I don't. Choose what
I super don't fight this guy. Rune's gonna be top.
so good.
Give my
Once
Doug some
again,
mana.
and again.
Our thanks.
This must be decoded. As if. Is that why?
Spearbreaker charging mid.
Resist your fate. You must push through the burning. Can one ever be sure? Consider the possibility.
Alright.
As
Duck needs mana, so I hold off using mana boots till I'm in range of him. Dang it, maybe suggest that you block a little closer. Bam. Got his ass.
Can one ever be sure?
Too late.
I have an end in. I'm in. Don't mind me. Work through the. Is that wise? And what if I don't?
We will not forget this.
Power in top.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
As if.
Alright. Now we bonk the shit out of this building.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
If you insist.
They got stacked.
Your middle tower is under attack. Your middle tower is under attack.
Cannot maintain this fall.
Oh, I was hoping you were get a Zeus ult or something. Teammates are toxic tipping each other. Sure, that's helping a whole lot. I don't really like any of these neutrals. Ooh.
Precisely.
Guess this technically gives us some movement speed.
It is ever thus.
On a technicality. Yeah.
So it goes.
The seeds of fortune.
I feel like our Zeus is gonna die.
Radiant's courier has been killed.
I have a feeling. This is all very well. So
I mean, okay. She just gets to walk at me and do that. They're both dead now. Alright.
Why did you make an enemy of me? I had no.
Which, I guess Nature's Prophet is the one that's our offlaner. I was like, which one of these guys is supposed to be our offlaner? Alright, that's global. That's 4 people dead for no fucking reason. That's unfortunate. That tower is
Your
super
bottom
fucking
tower
gone.
is under attack. Dire's structures
I forgot that I had to level my fucking E. I'm used to
bottom tower
that
is
shit
under
being
attack.
way the fuck stronger by now. It is not.
more wisdom.
I guess I'm just fucking
Your
taking
bottom
this
tower is under attack.
pointlessly. Wisdom runes.
If that is what one wants.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
I don't like
As if
live against any of this shit. I need so many more items before I start to exist in this game.
possible course.
It's gonna be really rough because we are just fucking no map pressure anywhere.
For you. It is all
Ranger top, spear breaker missing.
oh endlessly.
At least have a lot of HP on our top tower, but
It is all one. Don't hold me to this. If only it were all this simple.
ow. Well, this guy has global TP. It'd be really nice if he would show up since he's our offlaner. I think this is super inefficient. He could just be split pushing.
Your middle tower.
Someone has to
fallen.
defend top. I'm just gonna die to Wind Ranger ult if I go.
Your top tower is under attack.
What is this guy's item time? Okay, now he's showing up. A little bit late. He griefed Marana? Alright, that's straight up griefing. Like, our mid laner rotates before you show up to defend the tower, and then you fucking trap them in your ability. Very cool. Super mature behavior. Love that for us. Oh, hello, man. Don't we have a fucking Zeus, man?
Your top tower is under attack.
That means they've got vision,
Your
dude.
top tower is under attack.
Like, I don't know, man. They saw
Your
me.
top tower has fallen.
Saw me from maybe the creep wave? I don't know. Guess it was the creep wave. Alright. We're just gonna go blow shit up top. Guy charges me, do I die? I don't think so. I've got enough teammates around, but I don't think I die. Now I die. That's global.
Can one ever be sure?
Hmm. Ah, I see. Christ. How is that guy not dead, bro? Where's anybody, man? What is that guy's full HP? Where's he going? Where's he going? Oh, brother. That's rough. This is the guy that immediately started typing at the beginning of the game, like while we were still in draft, and he started complaining, so like I'm not super shocked that it's this guy that's throwing the game, in consideration of the fact that he was like typing from minute 0, from before minute 0, but like, damn. I don't even defend this without dying.
Cast your fortune. Interpret this.
Like, if they wanted to dive me under tier 2, I just die. Super just
This is
die.
all very well. Once again and again. Long off.
We have a fucking Zeus, but he doesn't seem to D-ward.
Radiant structures are
That's
fortified.
unfortunate. That would really help our situation.
The enemy's
That guy
middle
with
tower
D-ward.
has
You're gonna
been
come fight
denied.
mid again.
As if.
We're busy dying bot on Mirana.
If is all.
I think NP's just fucking dead now. Until Jug shows up, I'm not going.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
If that is what one wants.
Dire's structures are fortified.
Dota hard game? Definitely.
That is one possible.
Definitely a hard game.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
And what if I
Your bottom tower has
Eh.
fallen.
Can we smoke out and fight or something?
Out of my way!
We gotta get a pick off.
it is all one? Can one
Man. Oh. We just have like 0 execution. Aug, aug, aug. Oh. This one's feeling more and more impossible. This guy went Gleipnir first. I don't think he really knows how to play NP.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I do not feel like he knows how to play NP. We don't have any stuns or any good answers.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Mirana has no item. This guy is doing pretty well. He's doing better than you could really expect in a game like this. But
So it goes.
that guy is
That is
absolutely
one
getting powered
possible
up or something.
course.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Wow, it's almost like you deward their vision. Then they don't have vision anymore.
That's to choose.
Crazy, right? What the fuck are we doing mid, dude?
If you insist.
Alright. Really? Alright, dude.
Your middle tower
Is he gonna abandon? Oh no. I wouldn't blame him. This is pretty grim.
tower is under attack. Your middle tower
I don't
has
know,
fallen.
dude. We can report that guy for toxic chat. But beyond that,
Your middle tower is
good
under
lord. Yeah, you missed the, like, people have been toxic chatting since minute 1 on my team. Like, or actually since draft, so not even minute 1.
middle tower has fallen.
This one's feeling
Your
pretty
middle barracks are under attack.
uninteractable. I, like, don't get to walk up at all, so.
Your middle barracks are under attack. Your middle barracks has fallen.
Alright. Can we catch a guy?
Radiant structures are falling.
Once again and again.
Well, that's a lot of money. Looks like our jug is dead. We're toxic tipping again.
A talisman against
Always helpful. You know that.
I had a feeling.
Toxic tipping always helps people. That's what they say.
That is one possible.
Actually, I feel like... what the fuck saves anybody here? I don't think Glimmer fixes anything. I feel like it has to, or maybe it's Lotus? Probably Lotus.
That is what one
I
was.
was like, Yules doesn't fix anything. Glimmer doesn't fix anything.
Is that why?
Yeah, they're like... I call Void League of Legends hero because he's like built out of dashes. And I like don't super enjoy that mechanic. But like when he's ahead, if your team doesn't have like an Orchid or like some sort of lockdown, he is really fucking hard to deal with, yeah. We have like pretty fucking sick high ground defense.
The possibility.
But we're gonna have to just coordinate really hard.
One would hope so.
It's definitely not impossible, just really tough.
Is under attack.
Once again.
Can we try and get a pick while they're split?
Your top tower is under attack.
We know that that guy's alone.
Your top tower has fallen.
We knew he was alone, but I guess we're just not gonna. Cool. Alright, now we're gonna.
Tower is under attack.
I am silenced. Don't do anything when I am silenced.
Once again. I'm unbeatable. Once again.
Alright.
Like those are
Right, dude.
under attack.
Glad that he lived, because I was fucking CC'd to fuck. They're probably gonna go Roche.
Your top tower
Just kidding,
is
they're
under
back.
attack. Dire structures are fortified.
As foreseen.
Dire's courier has been killed.
I can't walk up or I just die.
Your top tower has fallen.
Oh my god, they keep pinging.
Your top barracks has fallen. The enemy's bottom tower has fallen. Your top barracks has fallen.
One would hope.
Alright, that guy's fucking dead.
That is one possible course. Not yet. If that is what one would, don't say anarchy.
Oh, yeah. NP was the one that was like, pick stuns. Picks NP last pick. Defended. Shut up, shooter school. Oh.
Oh, imagine
Alright. Don't need to hear
Dire's
anything that those people are saying. I'll leave Jug on. Jug's been pretty normal. I think he's been playing, like, fine mostly. Not super a big fan of this ward.
that is one possible course. Consider the possibility. So it goes. Is that why?
Alright.
If
I'd like a neutral, that'd be cool. I would enjoy that. Oh.
you insist.
Don't really guess that one. Don't really like any of those though.
fallen to the radiant.
Not the ideal ones for sure.
As if I'm empty. This is all very well.
I feel like, yeah, probably. I don't know, actually. Probably this part first. Gotta defend high ground. Maybe try and split push on NP while they're going high ground.
Consider the possibility.
Dude's just jungling, I don't think that helps. NP jungle is not the way.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Well, they do have synergy buttons. I feel like our Jug's like doing the best that he can, but we don't have anybody else to help him. Alas. Game's been pretty over. I guess Soda. Possibly. Yeah, I don't know. This game was like kinda over from minute 1.
The enemy now has megathrees.
Oh, I already have. Yeah. Like, I don't think NP Pause 3 is a bad hero pick. I just think... I don't think it was needed. I don't think it needed to try and get defended last pick. I don't think there was a point in that. Making Jug lose a bunch of money early game. He was typing and being toxic from minute 1. Our Zeus was also toxic from minute 1. I think Mirana mid didn't play super well, but was fine at least and wasn't like super toxic. The everybody else though, definitely pretty bad.
Victory.
Right after such a good game too. Guess they do have to balance out, but yeah, that one felt pretty miserable to play. Just not much in the way of teammates. I think Jug was probably my favorite out of that game. Toxic behavior for sure. Dislike that guy because he all chatted toxic. Dislike that guy because they're toxic. Dislike that guy because they're toxic. Rana and Jug were fine. Wow, Zeus somehow got less money than me. That's insane. Crazy. Alright, I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Then we're gonna do another one. Be right back. Well, hopefully this next one is not that toxic from fucking the first second of the game. Sheesh. We'll see how it goes, I suppose. Alright. Do some hand stretches. How are you guys holding up? Oh. Catch you later, title. Have a good one. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you later. Oh. How's everybody's weekend? You guys have a chill one? I had a pretty chill weekend. Pretty decent working. Got some cool stuff I'm cooking up. I'm pretty excited about. Ooh, this DK skin actually looks really cool. That's actually a really cool DK skin. Got a bird in it. Is that from one of the... Oh, that's right. I should click the... Spin da wheel, get bad cosmetics. Spin da wheel. Hi, Numbers. What's up? Spin da wheel. We need nature cape scale mask. Nature cape scale. Oh, scale. Oh, hey Mike, what's up? Weekend's almost over. Yeah. Oh no, now it's gonna play this audio cue forever. Stop, 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 stop. Oracle's banned for the first time in forever. What do we want to play?
10 seconds remaining.
I'm
5
fine with
seconds
playing
remaining.
Shadow Shaman, probably. This is actually a very tough hero into... So, any heroes that are assassins and want to explode the backline, or any reposition heroes like Pudge are really scary for Shadow Shaman, because your main thing is you're going to stand still and essentially stun yourself to stun an enemy. Nyx makes that really hard. Pudge makes that really hard. So, that's going to be tough. That's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. We're gonna need a nullifier for John Mann. It's also not something I'm gonna get. Oh, brother. Okay. I mean, we don't have a super bad draft. I think our draft is okay. God, this would have been a fucking sick Oracle game, though. I think this is just another go fucking boots first game. I don't want to die to Pudge. I trade way better if I have boots. We're just gonna go boots. We're just going boots. Hopefully I can get my goobers group up.
Prepare for battle.
I feel like we have pretty good first blood chance, so we want to go top or bot for it.
Your time comes. The spirit moves me.
Guess we don't answer. Don't go, we have a AFK.
Oh, what a beauty.
I accept your guidance. Yes.
Do we want to like invade and wrap, or what's the plan?
Yeah, go on, you see if it's not. Open it up and see if it's not in there. I'm telling you, it's a lock, mate.
Shades, guide me.
30 seconds to battle.
As the shade direct.
Oh, they know about us now.
I hear and obey.
They didn't before.
I hear.
So where hook is gonna happen eventually.
Yes.
Careful of the hook.
So say the spirits.
The battle begins.
Oh, brother.
As you wish.
Yeah.
There are none so stabbed as those who will not.
It's all good. It was gonna happen to somebody.
Ah. The spirit moves me. You are heard.
I could if you guys want me to. Means I'm probably not going blink though. So we would need another initiator.
I go. Granted. Yes. I hear.
I super outtrade you, dude.
Accept your guidance. I hear and obey.
Gonna half pull since it's not stacked.
Moto Atticano. So say the spirits. Of course. Mark your death.
Pog.
Shades, guide me.
Nice.
As the shades direct. You're not going anywhere.
Well, so much for Chaos Bolt ready.
For the ancestors. You are good. Granted. Denied. I accept your guidance. Shades, guide me. As it pleases.
Sweet.
I hear and obey.
Gonna grab bounty.
Spirit moves me.
Radiant's courier has been killed.
Ringmaster, he's cool. I think he's neat.
I accept.
I think he's neat.
So say the spirit. I hear. As the shades direct. Yes. Yes.
Your middle tower is under attack.
As you wish. I fight.
Cool.
I accept your guidance. As the shades direct.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Granted.
Gotta keep running in a straight fucking line.
As you wish.
Woo!
I hear.
Alrighty. Yeah, a pox upon you too, Necrophos. We get those single range creep pulls, dude. Just kidding, no we don't.
The spirit moves me. Shades, guide me.
I'm gonna go cover Power Rune bottom.
You are heard.
I got you, bot Ember.
Granted. I'm under attack.
Just kidding, Jonathan invisibility.
I hear and obey.
Alright, dude. That's all of his fucking charges, but Ember decides 2 CS worth that guy getting another
Radiant's
kill.
courier has been
Which,
killed.
you know, fair enough. So be it. I feel like if he just rotates over there, we super kill that guy with Shackle? But I guess not. I rotated mid to help him and he just fucking watched me die. Ah. XP from kills? Yeah, he does get more XP from assists and kills. Pretty cool.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Like a drum. Now. The shades direct.
Cool.
As
God
it please
damn
you.
it, dude.
Shades, guide me. Ah! The spirit moves me.
We creep aggro, we creep aggro. We deny. Oh, they denied the double CS creep.
I accept your guidance. As you wish.
Power Rune.
I hear.
Okay. I mean, that guy doesn't have stun now. Yum.
I'm under attack. I accept.
Fudge's bot.
Top's gone missing.
There's like 4 bottom. A little bit late. Good luck though. It's gonna be tough. Fair, Ricky.
The spirit moves me. What you say? Hmm. Yes.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Fudge TPing.
I accept your
I'm
guidance.
super getting hooked.
Your top tower is under attack.
Oh, pathing.
I go.
Can we smoke after this wave, maybe?
As you wish. I hear.
Top's gone missing.
So say the spirits.
Top's gone missing.
I accept.
Herm.
Yes.
I don't know, I feel like I still have to get
The spirit moves me.
urn. We have an urn carrier.
Ah,
It's me.
Deceptive rune of invisibility.
so say the spirits. Does it please you?
Dark light.
Your top tower is under attack. The enemy's bottom tower has fallen.
I accept your guidance.
Alright.
Top's gone missing.
You are heard. The bones are thrown. I fight. I go.
Unfortunate. Unfortunate.
As the shades direct. The spirit moves me. As you wish.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I go.
Your middle tower is under attack.
I hear and obey.
Ah, thanks a lot.
Your top tower is under attack.
I
Alright.
make your peace. You are heard.
Your top tower has fallen.
Hope I'm not getting killed by Ricky. I'm not.
So say the spirit. Granted. Black, where is my head?
Dire structures are fortified.
Your guidance.
The enemy's top tower has fallen. Your bottom tower is under attack.
I hear.
Radiant structures are fortified.
Yes.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Does it please you?
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Yes.
Don't mind if I do.
Alright. There's all that.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Dude, let me get there. Damn it. Well, we have once again failed to kill the Ricky because we don't have enough lockdown, but then he just fucking walked back in and fed, so I guess that worked. When I'm back up, can we push, like, top, take the tower, and then maybe do Roche?
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Hopefully we can get some amount of momentum going. I want movement speed, but...
Your bottom tower is
guess
under
I'll take
attack.
that. Nick's about to finish
Your
Dagon.
bottom tower is under attack.
Pressing button. Well. Lol.
Fresh meat.
Hmm.
I hear and obey.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Uh-oh.
Your bottom tower has fallen.
Alright.
I accept. As you wish. Coming for you. Prophet arise. Set your guidance.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
Yes.
Radiant's courier has been killed.
The spirit moves me. You are heard.
Alright. This one's going a little bit better.
Shades, guide me.
Oh, it's going alright. Where? How are you? What's up? What's up?
Your shrine has fallen to the radiant.
Alright, Spirit Vessel acquired. I want to show up and make sure that guy doesn't just get fucking super goofed on.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Okay, instead they're getting super goofed on.
You are heard.
That's unfortunate.
Shades, guide me. I hear.
Dire structures are fortified.
As the shades direct.
Alright. That'll do.
I accept your guidance. The spirit moves me.
We can take their tormentor. Take theirs.
Dire's courier has been killed.
I go. Beat you like a drum. For the ancestors.
Alright, well. That guy does a lot of damage.
Your middle tower is under
I feel like we were lacking 2 of our cores there for half the game. Or half the fight. So that's probably the biggest issue there.
Your middle
Also,
tower is
Bristleback
under
dying
attack.
right at the beginning because of bad positioning was not helpful either.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Aether Lens will help a lot. I want to go get our Wisdom Rune.
Granted.
Why is our Bristleback so low level?
I
I
accept.
don't like that. Can we do our Tormentor now that we're all here?
Your bottom tower is under attack.
As you wish. I go.
Hi Vol, how are you?
The spirit moves.
Ow.
So say the spirit.
Uh-oh. We need that guy. Where is he while he's disconnected? Oh, he's dead. That's probably why he's dead? Man said internet down. Oh. Questionable levels of success using the Rui Lopez opening. I don't know what that means, but I'm sure you're fucking
Your
crushing
middle
it, dude.
tower is under attack.
Guess none of my other teammates are gonna pause for this guy.
Here.
Kind of unfortunate, because he's our offlaner. Oh, there he is.
Mark your death. I hear and obey. Jade, guide me. Of course. I accept your guidance. As the shades direct. You are heard.
Could definitely use a bristleback. Feel like he's been DC'd like half the game.
Shade, guide me. Not yet. As you wish.
Go to us! Thank God.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Dire structures are fortified.
Sweet. I can't do anything about that shit.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Yeah, like that guy's just fucking dead. That guy's also just fucking dead.
The enemy's middle barracks has fallen.
Nyx is behind us.
Radiant's courier has been killed. The enemy's middle barracks has fallen.
As the shades direct. I hear and obey.
He ran down or something. There's Ricky.
I hear.
I have my passive up if they try and pop me.
Yes. You are heard.
Oh,
Spirit
I
moves
think.
me.
Well,
As you wish.
we knew they were gonna do that.
Accept your guidance.
I have to go get that shit. Cause Courier's dead. Yeah, I don't know why CK like decided to position himself so that he is the easiest thing to hook in the world. But he was easy to hook.
And obey.
How about you buy 2 more bracers? Oh, he does have
You are heard.
not much.
Yes. Does it please you?
Could probably smoke, yeah.
Shades, guide me. I hear. The spirit moves me.
Alright.
As the shades direct. I go.
Man, can we fucking... Alright. Well. Did not think I was gonna get to live, so I felt very compelled to just drop my ult. Because I thought we were gonna lose that team fight.
As the shades direct. I go.
Don't like any of these neutrals either.
Does it please you?
Actually,
The enemy's
No,
bottom
it's
tower
worse
has
though.
fallen.
okay. Him too, him too.
Your top tower is under attack.
Big wards. Wards moment.
The enemy's bottom tower has fallen. The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen. The enemy's bottom barracks has fallen.
Dust Haver. They call me the Dust Haver because I have dust.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen. The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
That's what he gets for calling somebody an idiot. Immediately gets hooked in Fountain. Well, the game's over anyway. Alright. Send in the Serpents. We fucking did, dude. Consider the Serpents in. Sorry, and I should narrate a game of TI. I think you should. That would be fun. Is there a lot of comeback potential in this, or you get the advantage does it kind of snowball? Well, you just watched us do a comeback, and also the first game was a comeback. So yeah, there's a fuck ton of comeback in Dota. Huge amount of comeback. This guy gets a commend. This guy gets a commend. This guy gets a dislike for not being connected half the game, and this guy gets a toxic chat for being toxic in chat. All right. Yeah, our offlane Bristleback having less money than me is concerning. It's a concerning number. Shadow Shaman's still fun hero though. I thought that was gonna be way worse, but their Ricky and Nyx didn't really position very well. So was not nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. Shen has decided that it's time for me to tell you guys. Scanning. We needed to make up for the lack of having like an actual offlaner. So besides that, that was kind of the main issue that we needed. I think we fixed that for the most part. I like that he got Bloodthorn on CK. Pretty good. But yeah, pretty good. No notes. It's a good one. I don't think we have time for another game because I need to go make food, but we played 3, we won 2. I'm kind of okay with that. Still 66% win rate. You have to tell me how you did that. I need it. It's a lot of bot coding. So a lot of bot coding and a lot of OBS kung fu. But yeah, I can show you how to do it. 15-minute adventure in and out. I don't super think that that's possible. That what is the fastest game we've had since we started playing ranked? 26 minutes. That's probably 26, 26, 21. 21 minutes. One time. 21 minutes is the fastest ranked game we've had. What the fuck happened to this game? Oh, this is just where we were push jutsu, the team. Yeah. Everybody doing fucking each hero doing at least fucking 6k building damage. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh. I could tell you guys about an exciting thing. Hanu got me. Actually, we can go vibe over here while we're chatting. Hanu got me. Oh, there we go. Hanu got me a screen tablet, which is pretty cool. And I'm gonna start trying to use it probably later this week. Unfortunately, it needs an HDMI connection directly to the computer's graphics card, and I only have one HDMI slot on my graphics card, and that is being used for the capture card. So I cannot. Got a what now? Hanu bought me a display tablet, Huion Canvas Pro 13. And I want to try using it because drawing on an actual display sounds really nice. But it can only be used. Basically, I bought an HDMI switch, and I'm never gonna be able to use it on stream because it can only be used. Basically, it's either I can have capture card functioning or I can have display functioning on the on the tablet, but I cannot have both, which is somewhat sad, but kind of understandable. I don't know. I just wish I had a graphics card with more HDMI ports, because HDMI on your motherboard will not work for both. Like the motherboard HDMI doesn't work for the tablet, and it doesn't work for the capture card. Which card? Elgato 4K60 Mark II. Needs to be plugged into graphics card HDMI. Does AI take over for that player? Oh yeah, no. If somebody disconnects, they get walked back to Fountain, but usually they die. Which card? My GPU? No, I'm saying yeah, so regardless of what your computer specs are, display tablet needs to go into a GPU. Capture card needs to go into a GPU. The GPU in this computer, let's find out. Where do you find out system information? It's a RTX 3090. But yeah, it does not have 2 HDMI slots. It has 2 DisplayPort slots and 1 HDMI slot. I guess something that I could look into is HDMI to DisplayPort, but that would mean I have to unplug my VR chat headset, plug in, and constantly. So basically, it's something needs to get a switch either way. Right now I'm going to use HDMI switch. Maybe I will get HDMI to DisplayPort later and then put a switch on the DisplayPort. Because I already have a DisplayPort switch. That's what I use for my 2 PC setup, but yeah, we'll see. I also need to replace my keyboard because it's falling apart. I need to replace my mouse because it's like falling apart. All of my peripherals are like super fucking old. But we're working on it. We're working on it, okay? Today I got some good work in. I'm doing some more 3D shit. Hopefully it's going to be cool. Hopefully it's going to be epic enough to pull more people to Subscribestar or whatever. We'll see though. I'm grinding shit out. We're doing what we can. Oh. Alright, in the meantime, I gotta go make dinner, so we're gonna raid on out of here. We're gonna go say hi to Lookies. Let's go say hi to Searing again. They're very cool. Go give them some pats, some pets, all of the above. I will see you guys tomorrow. Until then, get some good snacks in, some good naps in. Thank you everybody who supports me on Patreon or Subscribestar or by donating or subbing to the channel. Keeps my funny little gamer lights on. Lets me pay for some of my bills. I'll be back tomorrow doing some more Dota if you enjoyed. !Discord if you want to hang out in the Discord. We got a lot of cool goobers in there. We do lots of community events and stuff. Check out YouTube, TikTok, etc. Whatever. Or just come hang out tomorrow. Have a fantastic Monday or Tuesday if you live in a future time zone. Otherwise, see you guys later. Go say hi to Siri for me. Tell them they're great, Scotty.
Sometimes I just want to forget.